Hey everybody, I just wanted to show you some special kits that I purchased from Doreen at Ooh La La Vintage Treasures on Etsy. I will leave the link, but you probably already know it and have it. But if you don't, for some reason, you must go there right away and pick these up. I got 3 different files, and one of them I only printed part of, so I'll show you what I got. This is the Pink Parfait Clutch Folio Kit, and just look at these papers. I almost want to save that paper for the last, but that's okay. I mean, do I need to even say a word? I think the print just speaks for itself. This is absolutely stunning. It's gorgeous, and it comes with all of these. It says Coffee and Pearls, coffee and friends make the perfect blend. Dreaming of Paris, Pink Parfait Cafe. There's all little words that you can cut out, but look at all of these pieces. They're just the teacup. Oh my gosh, I just am in love with this kit. The papers in it are incredible. I'm going to be working on these this week, but look at how gorgeous. I mean, what's not to love? I mean, and you don't have to make a folio out of this. You can make whatever you want out of this. That's the beauty of these digitals, is that there's just so many different options. So you don't know, I mean, just because it says folio doesn't mean you have to make a folio. You can make whatever you want. Look at the pretty bows. You can do whatever you want with these digitals. They are just stunning. The next one I got was the Divine Moments folio, and this is like the never-ending digitals. I can't believe how many digitals are in this kit. But here they are. They are beautiful, and this puts together a folio as well. But like I said, I mean, you can use these for background papers. You can use these for anything. Look at how gorgeous. I mean, just stunning. Look at this with the doily. Oh my goodness. Doreen really did an incredible job with these digitals, and they print beautifully. They really do. They just print just so gorgeous. Like one is better than the other. I mean, it's just, how do you pick a favorite when all of them are, I mean, wait till you see these hearts. Look at this. This is a little, I mean, you can, of course, cut it apart, but this makes a little book. And the tags and the little flaps. I mean, this is just incredible. I'll be cutting all these out while I'm watching the Super Bowl. Here's another one of those to make a little booklet if you want. I mean, you can do whatever you want with these. That's what I love about it. You're not locked into a folio. Yes, you can make a folio, but you're not locked into it. You can do so much with these. They're just incredible. The detail on them, I mean, just look. And I'm using my phone to video, so you know that they're 100% better when you get them. They're just incredible. I love them. And I could just see so many uses. I mean, this is a flap for the folio. You know what I mean? To like make like a top flap or a bottom flap or a side flap, whatever you want to do. But you could fold that in half and put coffee stained paper in the middle, and you have a little junk journal all ready for you with a beautiful cover and back. So there's lots of things you can do with these. But this is what sucked me right in, the angels. And anybody knows me knows it's the angels. Well, and the roses, but Those angels just get to me. And again, here's another example where you could cut this entire square out, fold it in half, and make a tiny junk journal. So again, it's not just a folio. When I purchase digitals, I don't want to be locked into just one project. And that's what I love about these, is you're definitely not locked into just one project. You can make so many different things with this kit. And that's what I love about it. I mean, just look at that. Every which way is just gorgeous. Oh, this one I love too. This has like, looks like French writing on it. It's just, they're just beautiful. Every single one of them. But, oh, wait, do you see these? These are just, I just can't. I can't with these angels. I have no words. Look at, and she even has on here what size punch to use that will punch them perfectly, so you don't even need to cut them if you have those punches. Look at these. These are like ATC cards. I mean, they're just beautiful. I just love this kit so much. I love hearts. And look at all of them. I mean, there's just so many of them. I might make one of those little booklets to go into my folio. And she has an incredible design team, and I believe Nicola Mason, if you just put her name in YouTube, her channel will come up. You will see she actually does a tutorial on how to make this folio. So yes, you will absolutely love this kit. And then I got the Divine Moments Angel Ephemera kit. Now, I only printed out half of it. There's another 10 pages, but I just wanted the angels for now. So I only printed out half, just to give you an idea. But look, just look at these angels. I mean, are they not the most precious? Look at the tags. You can make a tag book, a flip book, or just use them as tags. I mean, there's just so many things. Look at these angels. Amy Love also designed an incredible banner with these angels that is just to die for. I think she also made a book. So go check that out. And look at the bows. You know me, everything's better with a bow on it. And these bows are incredible. So yes, that is only half of this kit. There are still 10 pages that I did not print because I don't know exactly what I'm going to do yet. So I only printed out the pieces that I knew I wanted to work with immediately. But yeah, there you have it. I will put her link on there so that you can run and go get some. Print them today and cut them out while you're watching the Super Bowl. That's what I plan on doing with mine today. And if you have like a scan and cut, you could probably cut these really fast. Although I personally don't mind fussy cutting. I really don't. It kind of is relaxing for me. I know some people don't like to do that, but it really is relaxing for me. But yeah, there's just so much beauty in all of these kits. You will certainly not be disappointed. I will put the link to her Etsy shop because these are not her only kits. She has a ton of kits that I'm sure you will find one that you will fall in love with and will want. But I will definitely post the projects that I do with them so that you can see what I made. But you're going to love these. You are just going to love these. These print out so beautifully. And the colors are just perfect for us shabby chic lovers. And there's just so many elements to everything. And I love that. I don't like getting a kit that has a few pieces of paper in it. And you're like, okay, well, now I need to find like, 20 other things to match it. It's all the guesswork is done for you. All the hard work is done. All you have to do is cut and figure out what you want to make and where you want to put them. So there you have it, guys. And those are from Ooh La La Vintage Treasures on Etsy. And like I said, I will put a link with this video so that you can go check out Doreen's store, and hopefully you'll find something that you fall in love with too.